Okay, coming into question number 4. How can I draw this water valve? Okay, to make it simple, I will neglect this part, neglect this part, and I will neglect this part, the arc area. Okay, so neglect this. I'll draw these three things after I draw the base. So the base will be center line up to this area, because after this area I have this arc, so I need to make a center line from the origin point. I'll put my origin here until here, then I'll draw just the upper side like this, then I'll go up to here, then I go down. Okay, then I'll make it revolve. So new, okay, front, normal to sketch. I'm gonna draw a center line from the origin point horizontal. Smart dimension, this length is 50 plus 70 plus 10, which is 130, up to this point. Okay, up to here. Okay, why? Because after that we have an arc, so just I'll stop here. Okay, now line, go up, then go to the left, then from this area I'm gonna draw an L also. Click here, then go right, then escape. Small dimension, this line would be 15. Okay, 15. So this would be 15, and the length here would be 50. From here up to this point, 50. This length would be how much? I don't have this line length here, but I have it here. So this line is the same length of this line. So this would be 20. So the half of 20 is 10. And the length here will be also 10. Okay, so I made an L here, and I made an L shape here, then 3-point arc between this point and this point to the upper side or the lower side. No, upper side. The radius will be 65. Smart dimension. This arc has a radius of 65. Okay, now our profile is fully defined, as you can see. Fully defined. Feature, revolve 360 degree. Yes, 360 degree, check. Okay, very simple. Now how can I draw this arc? How can I draw this arc? Actually, this arc is rounded about an axis. Okay, so if I want to draw this axis, I have to go to this surface, then normal to, I'll draw an axis, sketch, activate sketch. I'm gonna draw center line, horizontal center line. Okay, horizontal center line. Okay, horizontal center line. Okay, I'll put it here. So the radius will be 25. So the smart dimension between the origin point up to this center line is 25 radius. Okay, so what is the benefit of this arc? Oh, sorry, of this axis? Because I want to draw a circle on this surface, then I'll make a revolve of this sketch around around this axis. So I'll click on this surface feature, sorry, not features, sketch. Then I'm gonna choose convert entity. So he has drawn a circle around this edge. Okay, now feature revolve. Okay, revolve about this center line that we have drawn just in a second before. Okay, so this center line, it's about center line. So what is the degree now? Is it 360 degree? No, it's not 360 degree. So how much is the degree here? It will be just from here up to here is 90 degree. Okay, yes, it's 90 degree. Okay, it was like 360 about the center. No, I want it to be 90 degree. Okay, then check. Okay, now again I have an extend area here, 15 millimeters. So I'll go to this surface, click on this surface, sketch, activate the sketch, and convert it to entity again. So he made a circle around the edges. Now feature extrude, normal extrude. What is the extrude here? 15 millimeters. So I'll make it 15 millimeters. Check. Okay, now we have drawn this area from this side. We made an axis here. Okay, which is 25 degree millimeters radius. Okay, then we complete again. We made convert it and make an extrude 15 millimeters. Okay, now as we can see, these dash lines, just I have to maximize. So is this part has a shell or not? Because we have these dash lines parallel to these lines, so that means that this part has a shell, an empty inside. So what is the thickness here? So the thickness 30 minus 26, which is 4. Then divide this 4 by 2 to take this thickness. So the thickness here is 2. 30 minus 26 is 4. This for this thickness and this thickness. No, I want just for one of them. So 30 minus 26, 4, which is this and this. Then divided by 2 to take the thickness, which is 2. So we have a shell of 2 millimeters. How can I do this shell? Very simple. Shell. I have to choose this surface, and also it ends in this surface, and the thickness will be 2 millimeters. 2 millimeters. Check. Now as you can see that inside is an empty. We can make we can split this part from here. So if we go to the front, then click on this section, we can make a section, then check. Okay, we can see from inside that this area is empty. If you click it again, he will make it back. Okay, so this section just to see what is inside, just you can see what is inside. Like if you just make a section and cut it by half, and you can see what is inside that, then you can click here to go back to the origin drawing. Okay, in the next video we'll draw this polygon, how can I draw this, and how can I draw this cylinder that's connected to this area. Okay, thank you very much.